Now we will see how to form two companies into one group, how to split companies information up to particular date, how to make backup for the company details in CDs, floppy or disk, and how to restore the backup from CDs, floppy or disk. Next one is import or export of data. It means how to export the data from Tally to Excel and databases, or how to import the data from Excel and databases which is exported from Tally. When we are in Gateway of Tally, select Company Information. Here we can see the option Create Group Company is Disable Mode because we have selected only one company. Here I am selecting another company, Kiran Trading Company. In left side we can see Kiran Trading Company and Prem Trading Company are selected. Now the option Create Group Company is activated and click on it. Here we have to give a new name for both the companies to form a group. I am giving Kiran and Prem Company. Next one is Members. Here we can see the list of companies which are forming a group. Press Enter key and Y key. We can view the reports of the group company. Click on Select Company. Here I am selecting Kiran and Prem Company. Get back to Gateway of Tally. Now select Display, Daybook. Here we can see information for both the companies. We should not make any transactions in this company because we form two companies into one group, and we can view reports only. Now I am shut down the company Kiran and Prem Company, Kiran Trading Company. Like this we can combine the information of two companies. Now we will see how to split the information of one company. So select Company Information, Split Company Data. Here we have to select company name and give date, that from which date onwards the information should be split. Press Enter key. Here we can see first company is started from 1st April 2008 and second company is started from 1st September 2008. Now click on Accept. Now it will ask split yes or no. Press Y key. Now the information in Prem Trading Company is splitting. Here we can see Prem Company is divided into two. Now I am shut down this company. Like this we have a chance to split the data in a company. Next one is Backup. Here we have to select company name. I am giving Prem Trading Company. If we want we can give another name also. Finally select end of the list. Press Enter key and Y key. Here we have to give destination. We will use A drive very rarely, so that I am selecting C drive, C:/. Like this we can give any destination which we want. Finally click on Accept. Now we can see the backup for it. So select C drive. Here we can see backup for it. And we have a chance to restore the backup. So select Restore. Here we have to give sources C:/. Name of the company is Kiran Trading Company. Finally click on Enter key and Y key. If we lose the data in C:/. Tally data, then we have to use the option Restore. Like this we have to restore the data. Now we will see how to export the company details. So select Display, List of Accounts. If we want to export all these ledgers, then we have to click on Export. Now it will ask export yes or no. Select no, then we will get the options. Here I am selecting default all languages. Next one is format. Here I am selecting XML. Output file name is master.xml and type of masters I'm selecting all masters. Finally press enter key and Y key. Now the data is exported. In same way, if we want to export the information in daybook, then we have to select daybook and click on export. Output file name is daybook.xml. Now we have to press Y key. Like this we can export the data. If we created a new company and then we have a chance to import all the data. Now I am shut down all the companies. I am creating a new company. Here I am giving a name, new company, India, and finally press enter key and Y key. Now click on import of data, masters. Import file name is master.xml. Next one is treatment of entries already existing is modify with new data. In same way we can also import voucher entries. Here I am giving daybook.xml. Now we can see the selected data is imported into new company. Here we can see ledgers are imported. Like this we can export and import the data.